What? Sorry, I was distracted. What's up?
I said I'm gonna swing towards A.
Yeah, definitely. AB.
Maybe I'll send out the.
But yeah, the kid definitely chews up the
Ah,
airplanes.
Does it? Well, it basically is a fucking anti-fucking plane ship.
Yeah, a Saipan flew over my smoke cloud and he lost an entire squadron of torpedo bombers. I laughed. Tears from CVs feed me. And I have no idea why. I just can't lose in the kid, even though I'm not doing much. All I do is just spot, and I just smoke, and I just count, and I just can't lose.
there's no division requirement, right?
There is no division requirement, no.
Yeah, but honestly, like, shooting, like, I tried recruiting like this, just shooting up a recruitment message at the very start, and just tons of trash. So what I personally do is I keep an eye out for players who play, to the strengths of the team. They're team players. They're not too toxic. They know what they're doing, and I just message them after the battle instead of just, oh hey, running like head on with other clans and just start talking shit. Uh,
Yeah.
Not much you can do. It's just the cesspool that we call random matches.
It doesn't help, though, as Captain was saying, sending messages once in a while.
Yeah. Oh, hey there, Cat Gear. You really want to mess with me? Ha! Fucking kill fast.
Damn it! I completed take out the Belfast down to 133 health. Someone else finishes them off with the crap.
That was me.
That's funny.
It's called kill securing, right?
Yeah.
He could have just teleported to next to the island behind us, and we could no longer shoot at him. It's a real thing.
Teleportation.
Oh fuck me! Oh, I'm good. Never mind.
Yeah, you might want to get out there.
I'm
That's two cat girls next to you. What the fuck? What the fuck? I am recording that shit.